Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Nissan Xterra. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 113,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.